Hi there everybody, my name is Eric Lassick. For my self-guided field trip, I visited the Rookery Bay National Estuarine Research Reserve. It is one of the last remaining mangrove estuaries in North America, which is something new that I found out. I actually volunteered at this place 4 or 5 years ago back in high school. It's a very nice place. As you can see here from this picture, this is the entrance. Once I entered the reserve, my first sight was this mangrove tree with the underwater look here, as it is used as a habitat for different populations of fish, with also a display of seagrass beds that I learned are present in the shallow waters and perform a huge role in this estuary. They help purify the water and act as a nursery ground for fish, shellfish, and other crustaceans. The grass is even used as a food source for manatees and sea turtles, which I thought was mind-blowing. That who could have thought that such a small plant could be so vital in multiple underwater populations. I thought it just fascinated me. Also, during my time at Rookery Bay, I caught some ideal information about barnacles and their life stages. They begin as free-floating plankton, which we have learned a lot about in this class so far, and once the plankton matures, they find a hard surface to attach themselves to and begin building protective plates to cover their bodies. They then use their feet to catch food. As you can see here, they call themselves feather foot feeders. I felt my time at Rookery Bay was a very educational experience. I saw many different exotic fish, as well as birds and snakes. They also had a boardwalk that led on a nature trail that overlooked the water and the mangroves, which was very cool, and there's many acres to walk. I didn't walk the whole entire thing. There was also a butterfly garden, as you see here. The Rookery Bay Reserve withholds 110,000 acres of mangrove forest, providing 150 species of birds and threatened and endangered species we should all learn about. If you're interested in checking out the Rookery Bay Reserve, I'll put the address on the screen here. If you do go there, you can ask for Donna Young. She's in charge of all the volunteers, and she was very helpful and provided a lot of great information. I decided to do a drawing of the barnacle with the feather feet on display, as you see here. And there's also my attachment of my field trip form, proof of me being there. I hope you all enjoy my presentation, and this has been Eric. Thank you.